In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning off toggle keys on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath interaction, select keyboard. Where it says toggle keys, play a sound when you press caps, num, or scroll lock. Just click and set as oval until it's toggled to the off position like you see on my screen, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.